But let's concentrate on some news now. A couple of days ago, Panacea Biotec announced that the company's entered into a joint collaboration with Bion Pharma. To discuss more on this, we are joined by Rajesh Jain, the joint MD of Panacea Biotec. Rajesh, hi. Thank you very much for taking the time out. So we understand it is for 7 complex generic pharma products that you've tied up with this US company, Bion Pharma. Can you tell us what the extent of the collaboration is and what this means in terms of money?
Yeah, thank you very much, first of all, for calling me this morning on your channel. This is a collaboration that we have with Bion Pharma, and Bion Pharma is actually one of our distributors in US. They are already distributing 2 products on the market manufactured by Panacea in the US market. And this joint collaboration to develop 7 complex generics is in addition to the existing products that they are selling on the US market. These 7 products actually are based on the principles that both the partners will put in their money and develop these products and register. There are clear-cut responsibilities that both partners have. Panacea is responsible for developing these complex molecules into formulations, manufacturing it, getting them registered in US, and Bion will ensure that they distribute these products and generate revenues out of that. So that's the whole deal all about. And we are expecting that 6 of these dossiers will be filed in the calendar year 2018, that is next year, and we expect that they will be launched in US market somewhere around 2019, and they will start contributing in a significant manner to Panacea's US business.
So can you give us a sense in terms of these 7 products? What exactly are they? Which category they fall into? Whether it's generic, whether it's complex, and what is the market size?
Okay. This is we have picked up immunosuppressants. That means drugs which are needed by patients to prevent any organ rejection when they undergo organ transplantation. So it's a bunch of immunosuppressive drugs. All these 7 belong to that category and are given to organ transplant patients to prevent organ rejection. And this is a market of more than $800 million dollars annual market there in US. And these generally comprise of complexity in terms of delayed release, in terms of modified release, micellar solutions in case of soft gelatin capsules or microemulsions, and then one or two ointments and 1 or 2 oral solutions. So that is the overall approach to go and offer to the US market a bunch of generic drugs which are focused in a specific therapeutic area, making it easier for the distribution channel to show a dominant presence in that particular segment with all the possible combinations that a transplant patient has to consume during its lifetime.
Right. So just 2 points. One, so there is a chance that these products might be, they might pass the development stage or they might not, right? Your partner comes into the picture once you develop them, get them approved, and then they are able to market it. If you're not able, sorry, go on. My question was, if you're not able to develop it and get it approved, are there any penalties or anything or anything of that sort or nothing?
No. It's not like that. We do research, we establish a proof of concept, and then issue a press release when it becomes doable. So from now on, I'm not saying risks are not there, but these are standard risks. Nothing related to the product development or its performance. So we do not expect any unusual risk in their development. So we are pretty much sure that 9 out of 10 all these products would reach the market. The only thing is some of them may take a little more time and some of them may take a little less time, but all of them will make it to the market.
Okay. Rajesh, as per my understanding, immunotherapy is quite a lucrative market to get into. So can you just explain to us in terms of the development cost you think that you're going to undergo in order to manufacture or to develop these 7 products, and whether you've already begun selling immunotherapy drugs in any part of the world at this point?
Okay. Yes, you are right that these are very complex generics and require a dedicated setup, which is not usually found in pharmaceutical companies. So we actually have the entire infrastructure in place, and we are selling almost all of these drugs in different markets, starting from India and several other markets. And we are actually the #1 company selling all these complex generics in immunosuppressive therapies and in organ transplantation. And we have established a reputation in the market over the last 1 decade of successfully bringing these products to different markets. And with US we have just begun a couple of years back, and are very confident that as the time passes we will be able to put these products in the US market. So in terms of risk, I think these are standard risks, and in terms of the infrastructure and capability, this is our expertise, and we are leaders in organ transplantation drugs being marketed in India and several other developing countries.
All right, so thank you very much. Good luck. Appreciate you joining in with those updates. Appreciate it.